issued a flash flood warning for Central Bexar County until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Antonio, Church, Commerce, Universal City, Live Oak, Selma, San Antonio International Airport, Stinson Municipal Airport, Randolph Air Force Base, Leon Valley, Helotes, Kirby, Alamo Heights, Windgrass, Carroll Hills, Chaminade Park, Hollywood Park, Cross Mountain, Alamos Park, and St. Hedwig. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A tornado